In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PlayStation 5 controller to Chromebook. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase what I believe is the most straightforward way to connect your PlayStation 5 controller to a Chromebook. This will work regardless of the model of Chromebook that you have. The main way to do this is going to be over Bluetooth, so it is going to be the method that I chose to showcase in this video. So all that you have to do to establish this connection is to go over to the Bluetooth settings. So click or tap on the system tray at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will bring up a lot of settings, and in here you can ensure that Bluetooth is enabled. So double check to see if Bluetooth is turned on. If it is turned off, then you will be able to click on it here and enable it. After Bluetooth has been enabled, now you can start pairing the PlayStation 5 controller. To do this, choose the option to pair a new device after you turn on Bluetooth, and when you choose Pair New Device, you will see this screen where it is going to search for nearby devices. Now, you need to put the PlayStation 5 controller into pairing mode. To do this, press and hold the PlayStation button and the Share button at the same time for a couple of seconds. So hold down both of these buttons simultaneously. Once you press and hold both of these buttons for a couple of seconds, eventually the LEDs will start blinking alongside the light bar, indicating that it is now in pairing mode, and it is going to appear on the list of available controllers. So now once you see your DualSense controller appear here, you can choose it from the list. It will remain connected, and when you open any game that has support for DualSense controllers, it will be used right away. There's no secret to this. It works natively through Bluetooth. If for whatever reason you don't want to use Bluetooth, or you try this method and it doesn't work, then you will most likely have to connect it using a cable. So you plug one end of a cable into the controller and the other one into the Chromebook, and it should also work natively. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect PlayStation 5 controller to Chromebook. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.